Coming to the last reaction, that is esterification reaction. We have earlier studied about an ester functional group, that is COO. Substances having ester as the functional group are formed by reaction between a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. So we have studied two important carbon compounds. One was ethanol and the other is ethanoic acid. So now we are going to study an example where ethanoic acid and ethanol both are going to react with one another. So our carboxylic acid is ethanoic acid and the alcohol that we are using is ethanol. So the reaction between a carboxylic acid and alcohol is called as an esterification reaction. Here we have ethanoic acid CH3COOH with the carboxylic acid functional group, and this is ethanol CH3CH2OH with alcohol as the functional group, that is OH. In presence of acid, and catalyst is also required, that is zinc chloride is used as a catalyst, and what we get is CH3COO CH2CH3 plus water. Now this compound that we are getting is ethyl ethanoate and it is the ester. Here the functional group of ester we can see COO. The name is ethyl ethanoate. Earlier we have studied one compound, sodium ethanoate. There we had sodium, hence we wrote sodium ethanoate. Here we have an ethyl group. If you take this portion here, it is C2H5. So C2H5 is ethyl group. So this part we have called it as ethyl, and remaining part, as we had studied earlier, it is ethanoate. So this is the name of the compound that is formed. We can even call this as ethyl acetate. This is the ethyl portion and this is the acetate ion. So we can even call it as ethyl acetate. The products can be easily formed. What you have to do is, from here you have to remove H and OH from this. So OH gives water, H2O, and remaining formula you have to write down as it is, CH3COO, and from here CH3CH2. So you get the formula this way. Esters have sweet odor. Majority of fruits owe their odor due to particular ester present in them. Esters are used for making fragrances and flavoring agents. When an ester is reacted with alkali, sodium hydroxide, corresponding alcohol and carboxylic acid in the form of its sodium salt are obtained back. This reaction is called saponification reaction and is used in the preparation of soap from fats. So as we read here, when an ester is reacted with an alkali like sodium hydroxide, we get alcohol and carboxylic acid in the form of sodium salt, and that this reaction is called as saponification reaction and it is used in the preparation of soap from fats. So here fats are nothing but esters. So we make use of fats and we treat them with sodium hydroxide, which is an alkali. What product we get is soap, which are sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids. Along with it we get alcohol, that is glycerol. So this reaction is called as saponification reaction and it is a process that is used in the preparation of soap using fats that are esters. Another important thing, ester functional group, we have studied COO, and there are two alkyl groups which are attached to it. So here we have two alkyl groups in this formula. One is the methyl group CH3 and the other alkyl group is C2H5, that is ethyl group. So this is another important thing that you need to keep in mind, that this is the functional group for ester COO, and on the either side you have got alkyl groups. This is CH3 group, that is methyl, and this is ethyl group. So with this we come to the end of this lesson. We have covered all the topics, and in the next class I will be sharing the question and answers of the lesson. Thank you.